Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up your Canon PIXMA TS6320 printer on your Windows, macOS, or Linux device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and you want to search for Canon PIXMA TS6320 support onto Google. And the best result should be from a Canon domain here. This is Canon support for PIXMA TS6320. Go ahead and open that up. And then you want to scroll down on this page underneath software and drivers and expand that. Select the TS6300 series driver setup package and the download button that corresponds to it. And once it's downloaded, go ahead and open up that file. Should be from a verified publisher, Canon Inc. Select yes. And then you want to proceed with the installation here. Select Start Setup, and then select Next, and then just follow through with the on-screen prompts, and you should be good to go. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.